Summertime. Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homies, dudes and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and got another box. About to crack it open, and it's hot outside now. Woo! Summertime has hit. Let's check it out. All right, let's crack into this box, see what it is. I can't remember what it may be, but I think I picked up a couple of the hot fragrances that was that's been having a little buzz lately, and this may be one of them. I assume. I don't know, but we can check it out together. If I can get into the box, what's in the box? Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I remember thinking about this. This is Qaed. I had the original Qaed, which I like pretty much a lot, and this is the new one. Qaed Al Fursan was Untamed. Untamed. There's the name up there in the top, but you can't see it because of bright reflection. Let's jump right into it. Crack it open. See how it smells. It's supposed to be a clone of Eros Energy, I think it is. I think it's Eros Energy. So I've never smelled that, so hopefully it's a good fragrance. Alrighty, here's the box. Pretty plain looking box, but it does have kind of like a soft, almost kind of like a soft rubbery kind of feel to it. There's the Latafa symbol on the top. On the bottom has the barcode and some of the ingredients. On one side, what is that? Just a little decoration of sort. Same decoration on that side. And then on the back, if you want to pause and look at all the extra writings, you could do that. So let's go ahead and jump right in, see what it smells like. Pretty basic box. Just has the one flap over top of it to hold it in place. And here's the bottle. It looks a little dusty. Here's the bottle. Pretty same as the Al Fursan. That one is just a pineapple bomb. It's just it's nice, but it's just an overload. If it's like summertime, if it's real hot, it's probably gonna be too much because it's really sweet. This is nice. It's got a magnetic cap, pretty nice, and it's pretty strong magnetic cap too. It holds into place. Okay, cool. Let's see what this is smelling like. You smell what the rock is cooking. Oh, that's a nice sprayer too. Oh, this is pretty nice. It smells like a sweeter version of Eros. Like the Eros is kind of in the background. And this is the sweetness is kind of forefront. It's pretty nice. I'm not sure if this is going to be a summer scent. I don't know why I picked this up right now, because I was thinking it was maybe a little bit lighter. Maybe on the days when it's not too hot, like if it's like, I don't know, maybe 80 degrees or something like that. Today we're supposed to get up to 100 degrees. So, you know what? Let's check it on skin. I did have something on my skin earlier, but it's faded right now. That's a nice sprayer though. Look at that sprayer. You see, guys see that? Oh, this is different on skin. It's a little bit spicy. Yeah, it's a little bit spicy. Yeah, I don't think this could be a summer scent. Not at all. Oh, well, I don't know. Maybe in the cooler evenings, in the summertime, maybe. But Yeah, this is a little spicy. Still has that sweetness there. I don't smell that arrows, the original arrows like I smelled on the paper. I don't smell it on my skin at all. It's it's like a sweet. It's almost kind of like a date scent, really. Like a sweet, spicy. The spices are dying down a little bit now, and it's getting a little bit more like maybe a little bit of woods coming up, like a cedar wood. I don't know. Let me get the notes and I'll get back with you. Hold on a second. All right, so I'm back in, and it hasn't been long at all. I just went to go get the notes with the tablet. It still pretty much smells the same thing. So let's jump right into the notes. The notes, I do have them here. There is cinnamon, and on the top notes, cinnamon, mandarin, nutmeg. Oh, that might be where some of that spice is coming from too, and cardamom. Then in the middle notes, they have caramel, lavender, geranium, clary sage, and cypress. Then in the base notes, there's labdanum, old labdanum, amber, vetiver, and cedarwood. Oh, cedarwood. Did I say cedarwood? I think I did see cedarwood. Yeah. So that's kind of what it smells like. It's like the sweetness. The sweetness is coming from that cardamom and the caramel. And the spiciness, to me, I'm getting a lot of the nutmeg and a lot of the cedarwood, but it's coming off more of like a cedarwood because it feels like it's in the background, and it feels like it's almost kind of a woody vibe to it instead of just a spicy vibe. It's a spicy woody vibe. So yeah, all right, that's my new pickup, Untamed, the Qaed Al Fursan. This is by Latafa. Pretty nice bottle too. The other bottle looked pretty much the same, but I think the colorway on this is a little bit nicer with the brown and the gold. It's pretty sweet. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me. Talk about Untamed. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.